Hi everyone, I'm Moon, and welcome to Rainbow Yoga. Today we're going on a special journey together to feel calm, peaceful, and happy. Let's take a deep breath and begin. Stand tall with feet together, arms relaxed by your sides, and palms facing forward. Feel grounded through your feet while reaching the crown of your head toward the sky, breathing deeply and standing strong like a mountain. Balance on one leg while placing the sole of your other foot on your inner thigh or calf, not on the knee, bringing your palms together at your heart center. Stand steady and tall like a tree, with roots growing deep into the earth, focusing on one point to help you balance. Bend your knees as if sitting back into an invisible chair, keeping your weight in your heels, and raise your arms overhead. Keep your spine long and chest lifted while breathing steadily, feeling strong and focused like you're sitting on a magical rainbow chair. From a wide stance with one foot turned out, reach your front arm down toward your shin or the floor while extending your top arm straight up toward the sky. Open your chest and gaze up at your top hand, creating a beautiful triangle shape with your body while breathing calmly. Step your feet wide apart. Turn one foot out. Bend that knee over your ankle and extend your arms out to the sides parallel to the floor. Gaze over your front fingertips while keeping your back legs strong and straight. feeling powerful and peaceful like a warrior. Stand with your legs wide apart and arms stretched out to the sides, forming a 5-pointed star shape with your body. Spread your fingers wide, take deep breaths, and imagine you're a bright, shining star, radiating calm energy in all directions. Sit on the floor, bring the soles of your feet together, and let your knees drop out to the sides like butterfly wings. Hold your feet with your hands, sit up tall, and breathe gently while imagining your knees are colorful butterfly wings fluttering softly. Sit with your legs extended straight in front of you. Then gently fold forward from your hips, reaching your hands toward your feet or shins. Rest your torso over your legs with a relaxed neck and shoulders, breathing deeply and letting go of worries with each exhale. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, and fold forward with your forehead resting on the ground and arms extended in front or alongside your body. Feel safe and peaceful in this cozy position, breathing slowly and imagining you're resting like a calm, sleepy rainbow. Sit cross-legged with a tall spine. Close your eyes gently and place both hands over your heart center. Breathe deeply and slowly, feeling your heartbeat and the calm, peaceful rainbow energy filling your whole body with every breath.